Good evening to everyone. We have discussed about the case study. The jobs were taken from company record for the last year. Therefore, it is most likely that the company will receive the same type of jobs in the following year. The jobs are chosen on Pareto analysis, which is a method of classifying items according to their relative importance. The importance in this case is annual revenue value. That means called AIRV, annual revenue value for the company under study. This amounted to 20 jobs. The jobs arrive at the shop with a mean time of 45 minutes. These jobs to be manufactured require processing from department to 3. The sequence of processing through their respective departments are shown in the next slide. Job code, job name, number of operation, departments, sequence at which processing takes place. B2 flywheel, number of operation 2. A1 cylinder head, C2 spline gear wheel, B3 forklift assembly, F4 crash slide machine, B1 impeller, Z2 bushing, C4 sprocket, C1 pump shaft, F3 valve slide gate, D2 discharge head, C3 spline shaft, F1 slide block, D1 align bush, E2 jig trolley, D3 turbine shaft, E1 plates, F2 pipe clamp, E3 bracket M support, E4 shims. The processing of job is accomplished with the aid of 15 machines arranged in 6 functional departments in the machine shop. Department 1, type of machine lathe, quantity 6, machine code M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6. Then second drills, quantity 1, M7. Then milling, quantity 4, M8, M9, M10, M11. Next boring 2, M12, M13. Grinding 1, M14. Shaper 1, M15. Total 15. M9, M8, M9, M10, M11. This is the department 1, department 2, department 3. This is called the above department 1 lathe. This is the department 1 lathe machine. The 6 lathe machines should be placed on. Next department 2 drill. Department 2 drill M7 drilling machine. Department 3 milling machine. Department 3 milling machine. Department 4 boring machine. Department 4 boring M12, M13. Department 5 grinding machines M14. Department 6 shaper machine M15. Existing layout of the plant. Existing system. As job arrive in the shop, they are held in a waiting queue. Based on operations required by the job, they are sequenced. Scheduling of job is determined on the customer's delivery rate of FIFO. First in, first out. This is called FIFO. Jobs are processed on first free machine of department. Next, setup and processing time. Setup and processing time 1, B2 flywheel, A1 cylindrical head, C2 spline gear wheel, B3 forklift assembly, F4 crash slide machine, B1 impeller, A2 bushing, C4 sprocket, C1 pump shaft, F3 valve slide gate, D2 discharge head, C3 spline shaft, F1 sliding block, D1 align bush, E2 jig trolley, D3 turbine shaft, E1 plates, F2 pipe clamp, E3 bracket M support, E4 shims. A sample processing description of existing system. Job B2 arrived and loaded on M1 in department 1. 45 job A1 arrived and loaded on M2 in department 1. This is 90 job C2 arrived and loaded on M3 in department 1. 135 job B3 arrived and loaded on M4 in department 1. 180 job F4 arrived and loaded on M15 in department 6. This has the moving on. All job arrived in department 16. Cellular manufacturing. Then we have moved to the cellular manufacturing system. This is the cellular manufacturing system. New jobs are grouped into families. Okay. Jobs are grouped into families. The families are formed on the basis of process similarities. Part families are released to job shop after formation. Jobs are moved manually from one department to other. If heavy jobs are there, overhead crane are used. The time required for movement is ignored. Formation of part family. Jobs in family: A1 cinderhead, A2 bushing, B1 impeller, B2 flywheel, B3 forklift assembly. This is the process sequence 1, 2, 1, 3. This is the C2 spline gear wheel, C3 spline shaft, C4 sprocket. And another D1 align bush, D2 spring discharge head, D3 turbine shaft. Then E1 plate, U2 jig trolley, E3 bracket and support, E4 shims, F1 sliding block, F2 pipe clamp, F3 value slide grade, F4 crash slide machine. Allocation part families: this M machines to cells. Cell arrangement within job shop production. Another one D. This is a sample of description VCM system. This is the finally in this case study, emphasis was given to reduce waste in terms of delay on flow time. By applying cellular manufacturing to this plant, the average WT, ST and FT, working time, selling time and first time was reduced by 41%, 59% and 30% respectively. Cost associated with this venture is considerably small in comparison to benefit arrived. Thank you.